Good morning. I'm Ansha Jain and I'm currently pursuing a BSc in Mathematics in my first year. This video showcases my capstone project on robotic process automation using UiPath. The title of my project is Data Entry and Validation Automation from Scanned PDF Forms using UiPath. The main objective of this project is to automate a repetitive, time-consuming manual task like reading scanned forms, extracting key informations like name, email, phone number, date of birth and address, and then validating and saving the data in an Excel sheet. The process I chose is a common one in industries like healthcare and education for manual data entry from PDF forms, which is usually time consuming and prone to human error. This kind of automation is useful in many real world scenarios like form processing in banks, insurance companies, or admission departments where hundreds of forms are manually handled every day. Let me now walk you through the project workflow and explain how I implemented this in UiPath. Here, as you can see on the screen, the automation starts by reading the scanned PDF using OCR technology. I have used UiPath's Read PDF with OCR activity to extract the text from the scanned documents. And Textract OCR engine was used to identify and store the data in a variable. Then I used assign and rejects matches to extract fields like full name, email, phone number, date of birth and address. Each field is then validated using if conditions and functions like isMatch and datetime try-parse. I used regex again to verify the email format, ensure the phone number is 10 digits and validate the date format for date of birth. I also used message boxes and log message activities to track progress and notify the user of invalid data. I have also used try-catch blocks to handle errors. This ensures that any error such as a blank form or OCR failure doesn't stop the process. I created a data table and added validated rows to it. And the final structured output will return in an Excel file using this write range activity. And I have also used click activity to open, save and minimize the Excel file. Now let's look at some technical aspects. I used variables like extracted text, full name, email, phone number, DOB, address, user table, DOB date is valid DOB to store and manage individual fields. Regex plays a crucial role in extracting specific patterns like a valid email address and a 10-digit phone number. Selectors were not much used here since it's PDF based, but if extended to web forms, they would be essential. For integration, I used Excel automation with build data table, add data row and write range. The entire workflow is designed to be modular and includes try-catch blocks to manage errors and ensure the bot does not stop midway and logs the issue clearly. Each step is also logged for traceability, which helps in debugging and tracking execution. I encountered a few challenges. One major challenge I faced was OCR inaccuracy due to poor scan quality and some characters like 0 and O were misread. I solved this by using string trimming, replacement and multiple OCR tests. Another issue was validating multiple types of data using regex and logical conditions. I created custom patterns and used helper functions like isNull or empty and isMatch to handle these scenarios. Date and format errors were fixed using validation logic with isMatch and try-parse. And Excel errors also occurred. If the Excel file was opened during writing, it failed. I added user instructions and handling logic to overcome this. Overall, with testing and debugging using log messages and message boxes, I improved both the robustness and accuracy of the bot. Let me show you a quick demo. I will run the automation now. As you can see, the bot reads the PDF, processes the data, and updates the Excel file automatically. The extracted data is displayed in the message box, and validated data are appeared in the output panel. Data is successfully written. After writing the data to Excel, the file is opened, saved, minimized, and a message box shows the completion status done. This project was a great learning experience for me. I designed and built the entire workflow from scratch, implemented all the logic data for validation, and managed error handling. Additionally, I tested the board with different types of inputs like valid and invalid to make sure it performs reliably. In the future, I plan to enhance the solution by integrating it with cloud databases and adding email automation for automatic notifications. And as a future enhancement, I would like to add batch processing of multiple PDFs, integrate it with a SQL database, include email automations for sending reports, and even apply AI based document understanding models for better accuracy. Thank you for watching my presentation.